Welcome back to Gamble Fact. So today we are looking at the Galaxy S1 ringtones. So this phone uses 2.3.4 Android Gingerbread. This phone was originally bricked, but I managed to fix it with the JIC USB. So let's start. First here we have the silent, which doesn't ring because it's obviously silent. Second one we have the anymore. So next one we have Ave Maria. So next one we have basic tone. Next one we have beat plucker. Next one we have big easy. So next one we have bird loop. So next one we have Bollywood. So next one we have brainwave. So next one we have Caribbean Ice. So next one we have Classic Bell. So we're back here, sorry. So next one we have Curve Bell Blend. So next one we have digital phone. So next one we have do it now. Hold on. Sorry I had to interrupt. So next one is Drawing the Night. So next one we have Eastern Sky. So next one we have Eater Shake. So next one we have Funk Y'all. So next one we have Gimme Motown. So next one we have Grow. So next one we have Hypnotize. So next one we have Imagine. So next one you have Love Flute. Sorry. So next one we have Medieval Jump. So next one we have Minimal Tone. So next one we have No Limits. So next one we have Noisy One. So next one we have On My Mind. So next one we have Pennon. Hey. So next one you have Pure Tone. So next one we have Rhythm of the Rain. So next one we have Ringing to You. So next one we have Road Trip. So next one we have Savannah. So next we have Secret Only for You. So next we have Save You. Hey! So next one we have Stepping Out. So next one we have Sunshine. Oh, so next one we have Tell Me. So next one we have Terminated. So next one we have Terrible Twos. So next one we have Third Eye. So next one we have Twinkling Bell. So next one we have Very Alarmed. Ah! So next one we have Vocalize. Hold on. So next one we have World. So next one and last we have You're My Love Song.
I can't believe it's so sweet. Another love song. You are my love song. I'm falling for you, so just come and get me. Oh, love, don't let me down.
So that was it. Those are the ringtones from the Galaxy S1, the original i9000. So thank y'all for watching, and as always, peace.